Welcome to the FlowZone instructional series. In this video, we will be priming an unresponsive storm sprayer. Feel free to pause the video now to review the steps before we begin. First, remove the hose from the base of the tank. Next, remove the tank lid and add some fresh water into the tank. You do not need to fill the entire tank. Grab a charged battery and insert it into the battery holster of your sprayer. You can check the charge level of your battery using the indicator lights in the front. Then, using the variable pressure dial, turn your sprayer on. Bring a garden hose or something similar up to the male quick connect at the base of the sprayer. Turn on the water and channel it into the barb for a few seconds. Reattach the hose to the quick connect fitting at the base of the sprayer. Take the spray handle and engage the trigger. Water should now come out of the nozzle. Thanks for watching. If you're still experiencing issues with your sprayer, please reach out to our live support team. We are available Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern. You can email us at support@wessel.com or call us at 803-339-2500. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for product updates and other instructional content.